everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you all 3 easy hairstyles which can be done on short or medium length hair. So the first hairstyle is this messy ponytail. I do this ponytail in 2 stages. So the first stage I'm going to create a small braid on top of my head. The reason I do this is because I want a lot of volume on the crown area of my head. So I braid my hair in a 3-strand braid while adding more hair to the side after every step. So here I'm just doing that, and then I'm going to tie this braid off in a high ponytail. You can of course go with a very neat center part or even a side part, but I just go along with this natural part. And then I'm just tightening the ponytail and pulling on some hair to create more volume and structure. And then I'm going to take the rest of my hair and put it up in a high ponytail. And then I wanted my hair, all of the hair in my ponytail, to be into a huge voluminous curl, but since my curling iron is not big enough, I'm going to take small sections and then I'm just going to curl them away. And while the curls are still warm, I'm going to twist them away like that to create a single huge curl. So that is what the end result looks like. It's very bouncy, very cute. And then I'm going to pull some strands around my face to kind of frame it, and I'm kind of curling it as well. And yeah, that's the first hairstyle. Then the next hairstyle is this messy updo. For this updo, we're going to start off from the last ponytail, and I'm just going to randomly clip the hair from the ponytail on top of my head like that. Just messily doing that. Look it into the mirror and just shape it around your face like that. Just do what looks best on your face. There's no right way to do this. Just pin your hair randomly, and I left a few strands out to kind of show some movement and some structure. And I love how this turned out. It looks like you spent a lot of time doing this, but yeah, I love this. And then for the final hairstyle, I'm going to let the ponytail down. It's kind of a half up, half down hairstyle, and I'm just taking big chunks of my hair and I'm curling them very tightly till the scalp. I do this all around my head. And yeah, that's the final look. It's very adorable and very easy to do, and I hope you liked this video. And if you did, then please click on the thumbs up button and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.